Hey guys, it's Crazy Cools here, and today I'm playing Clash Royale. You can see that I got a super magical chest and a magical chest. This is so cool. I got them out of a battle. Well, of course I got them out of a battle. I would just buy them if I got one. But today I'm going to be waiting for it to open because I don't want to spend one gem. Well, I do, but I don't want to at the same time. So I'm going to show you the pictures of it when I got it. So let's go onto my Instagram. By the way, if you don't know my Instagram, it is Paddly Aaron at Paddly Aaron. So I just got some new followers. Yeah, here's the magical chest. This is the second one. And then here I got my super magical and my magical. And then here my magical. And here's the magical. And let's go into here. So there's all the pictures. There's them two together. It's pretty cool. There was a 2% chance to get that magical, and I got it. So I'm going to show you some replays while we're waiting. Not watching. Well, we're going to be watching. Let's watch some TV Royale. Let's go into Legendary Arena. Let's watch this one. I'm playing Minecraft at the moment now, but I'll just stick it on the screen. Alright, so this guy said wow to Hunter, and he said wow to Rock, and a bunch of emojis. So he places as a princess, level 4 princess, and level 5 princess. Oh god. If you hear any clicking in the background, that's me playing. Oh, I just saw a polar bear. Cool, polar bear. They're both saying wow. So he placed out Inferno Tower, and he placed out a nice golem and a hog. He's princess. He's going to lock the princess away. Okay. So the other person Hunter logs rocks princess. Now Hunter has a good push. Is he gonna be placed out? He's gonna fireball it. Is he? Yes, he is. And he places a Mega Minion to defend. So I'm just gonna leave this game. So Mega Minion is making its way over to the tower. It's not gonna get a hit. Now he's sending out lone barbs with a Mega Minion. Hunter's sending out a lone barb. So good counter. Oh wait, no, the princess is gone by the log. Hunter, Rock did a good counter to Hunter's push. He's doing a minor ice spirit push. Oh, he's targeted the ice golem. Oh, here comes Hunter's push, but he places out an Inferno Tower and a Mega Minion. That's a good stop. Now is Rock does his backlash. Does his counter push. I just couldn't think of the word. Oh, here comes his counter push. He's gonna fireball it. Yeah. What's he gonna do to that princess? He's gonna put the ice spirit on the princess? Nope. What's he gonna do with the princess? Okay, he uses the princess to take out the princess, and then a log to take out the other princess, not prisoner. And here comes the Inferno Tower, and a spear and a Mega Minion to stop that push. In damage, Rock is winning, but here comes another push. He's gonna log it away and then put down an Inferno Tower right in the middle. Now he's gonna place an Ice Spirit. The Ice Spirit got logged away, but look at the miner. That miner took it down to 1,208. So Rock is still winning. Here comes out of level 5. Rock's level 5. Miner onto tower, but look at this counter push with Mega Minion, Ice Golem, and a Hog Rider. The princesses are taking out the skeleton army. Now here comes another push. He's not gonna have enough elixir. He's gonna freeze it with Ice Spirit. Is the Hog gonna get hit? And he does. He says, "Wow." I guess so they're just taunting each other. Okay, so how much minutes? 45 seconds. $30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. I'm just going to type it in. Oh, I'm so excited. Now. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go, guys. Oh my god. 3,508 coins. Oh my god, I got 6,000 coins now. 22 ice spirits, okay. The bowler! The bowler! Oh my god, I got the bowler! Screenshot. Oh, didn't get screenshot it. Okay, 28, 29, 58. No, I'm not gonna get a legendary. But what am I gonna get from my epic? 19 balloons. 19 balloons. I got 19 balloons. At least I got the bowler. I'm gonna open up the magical chest. I got bowler. Bowler. $19 balloons. So sad. Look at my balloon though. I would be. Where's my balloon? Where's my balloon? Where's my balloon? There it is. I'll be able to upgrade that to level 6. Like, I'll be able to upgrade that to level 3. Wait, is it already level 2? I'll be able to upgrade that to level 4. No. I'm being sarcastic because I'm sad. But I'm gonna upgrade my spirits. I'm gonna make a giant boulder deck. Be back 1 second, guys. Alright guys, I made a giant boulder deck. So we're gonna get right into it. You didn't mean to press it. But here we go. First time using a giant boulder deck. So my giant. Why do I not have my boulder? Is he like, no, is he gonna wait until it gets over to his side? I don't know. What's he doing? Is he not gonna play? Yeah. Be back 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, he's playing now. And for the win. Yeah, he's not playing. Back 1 second. Alright guys, I'm gonna battle, not with this deck because I just battled and lost. I'm gonna battle with my golem deck, or golem. So let's get right into it. Alright, we're facing against Diego Slayer. Good luck. You know what? Thanks, thanks Diego. So I'm gonna place a baby dragon in the back. Let's see what he has to counter with that. Let's zap those. I really shouldn't have zapped those, but it's fine. And I have a log for you. Here comes a counter push. Now you're gonna beat that. And with fireball. Oh, no fireball on the archers. Okay. The archers will take it down to 1,138. So now I'm going to place my golem. Alright. I'm gonna place this next. As soon as I get it. Nah, I'm not gonna lightning that. I place this. That's a counter to it. So, okay. Let's place my baby dragon there. Okay, so place a Mega Man in there. And let's place the golem back here. He still hasn't got a hit on our tower, but he's doing quite well to counter that. Might go for lightning here. How much damage will that do? Wait, we need to get a log over here. Roughly gonna just stick with this. He hasn't got a hit in the tower yet. This lightning. Good game. Alright. Let's see what chest I get from this. It's probably silver, yeah. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. By the way, tomorrow we're going to have another video opening this. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, favorite, and comment. Bye.